Just cutting some seat.
Take us to YouTube for the ones that got away.
Oh.
Check it out, yeah. One arm, Chucky Yeager. You know Chucky Yeager?
What's that?
First person to break the sound barrier.
Hmm.
When he did it, he was riding the horse the day before, fell off, broke 3 ribs.
Oh,
And he
okay.
couldn't shut the door, so they had to give him a stick. And he's like, they're just mad, eh?
Let me set up the towing. See if we can. Brake, check.
Can you hear it?
Can you hear it?
Sound good? No?
No.
Can we get out?
Yeah, that's braking.
They're working.
Yeah, yeah. Work. Ventilated seats.
6. How's the aircon work, alright?
Fucking amazing. Just like a fucking,
A new one,
just like a Toyota.
is it?
Yeah, Toyota's pretty good.
Oh yeah, Toyota's the best. Fuck, the old Toyotas were unreal. Well, they changed the gas. It's so cold.
Oh, turn on.
Oh, I told Jason I'm impressed with the car.
Hey,
I'm impressed with the car.
actually,
What
really
a roll car to this car, big improvement.
yeah.
Big.
If you're doing long distance, like towing from New South Wales to South Australia, this is probably not the choice.
No, you wouldn't. If you're towing
You'll be
all the
paying a
time.
lot of.
Doesn't matter how big a boat.
Yeah.
3.5 tonne. You're only towing here most of the time.
Yeah.
Once a year, you might take it somewhere. Twice a year.
Yeah.
Just take your time. Fuck it.
BB, I'm a little too cold.
And
Probably need a Dodge Ramp in
yeah,
this case.
yeah. Didn't have the hard top, but he had the
Yeah,
had the flare on it and the radar.
yeah,
It was pretty high.
yeah.
Yeah. Nice trailer, everything.
The center of gravity will be
Yeah, it's like
higher.
they got that one. For
Oh.
a 6 metre boat, can't get
Towing with this is just so smooth.
Yeah.
2.5 ton, not a problem.
Well, this thing would be a set of shocks on this thing.
Hmm?
But a set of good shocks on it when they make it.
Yeah.
Won't even know it. All terrain tyres. Because you can offset these a fair bit. No, for the money, like, yeah, you got a. This is the XLT in a Ford Ranger with a 2 litre diesel, 65,000. Okay.
Mm.
If you want a V6 in it, it's 72,000 with a mid-range car. On the top of the range, it's virtually 90,000.
Mm.
It's a lot more money than this. I should have been on it fine. And that's the whole thing with. If you're towing a caravan around Australia, no, you wouldn't buy one of these. No.
Yeah.
But if you just, 99% of your boat, that's why you can, you can go down the south coast. The hills are fucker. Doesn't matter what you're in. Doesn't matter. Trucks go up there slow. As long as the motor doesn't overheat in the car and you break down, that's it. But I don't think it will. It's got some serious thermo fans in this thing. Those days are long gone. So as soon as you get back, might play
just on a normal mode, not even in a sports mode. You don't need to be in a sports mode.
The first day you towed it with the old car. We went down the golf course the other way, your place, down that dip. Fuck's sake. Because I towed it each of the times we Land Cruisers, nothing, you don't feel it.
Yeah.
And this thing, I reckon you won't feel it either.
Yeah.
And I think if we can get the boat a little bit closer to the car, it'll be better again.
Yeah.
So 79.
I just need to get used to it. If I use a shorter bar.
Yeah. You're pretty good on the camera now,
It's just the distance, Like,
camera.
every time when you release your brake, it'll go minimum 30. That's the problem. Even with this one, the electric motor has a bit of
It's got a
lag on it. So you're really gonna have to brake before you actually start to move.
Yeah. I don't know how to go down big hills. Engine braking doesn't have it. So you have to.
You just need to gain a bit of inertia when you're going up.
Going down the Wollongong, it'd be 100% battery.
Yeah.
But you don't want to be riding your brakes all the way down. You'd have to drop down gears.
Oh, that's fine because this one, if you're actually at descending, what you're going to do is there's a energy recovery function.
Yeah.
Is actually braking you. It's actually braking the car.
Yeah, cool. That's what you
you switch to high gear.
Put that on.
Put the energy recovery.
Yeah, that'd slow. Yeah, it'd be like the engine brakes.
You'll actually cover maximum about 30 to 40% of the energy.
Yep. Oh, it'd fill the battery up straight away going down.
Yeah. More importantly is about 30% of the energy is taken away by the energy recovery system.
Yeah, that's
so it's like you already apply about 30% of the brake, and you can apply further for the real brake. So I don't think going downhill is a problem.
Yeah, because the guy died there last week.
Oh, is it?
Truck. Lost the brakes, lost the gearbox. Out of control, didn't quite make the sand trap at the end.
Oh, okay.
Dead. Probably in a rush, Like he didn't take any other cars. Yeah, sun's coming in.
Stalling. I have to accelerate. See, when I climbed this hill, battery went down to about 40%.
Yeah, they're only small, but the charge is really quick. Empty's really quick.
Yeah. I reckon if the battery is much bigger, like BYD, they shouldn't have a problem.
The BYD's only got a 1.5 litre motor in it. Tiny. So when the battery does die, you're fucked. Like going real bad.
Well, it does have a generator.
Well, that's how the whole car works. Because they realised that to put a electric ute or a tow, you just can't do it. Because the amount of weight you have to have for battery, like the F-150 Lightning, that's just junk. It goes so fast, but when you put a van on the back of it, it goes nowhere. They did this one in America where they had to go, I think it was like 700 mile trip. Fuck, it took them forever. Pulling the charge stations. And they had a diesel one, the same car but in diesel, the big one, they're 350. Fucking got there with one tank, no problem. It cost them less money, fucking. And then Albo comes, you can buy the electric car for the work truck. It's like, fuck, they're only 250k plus. Fuck, they're so big. Yeah, one day they'll have it. I'm the future person. Have the fusion reactor in the front, and fucking off you go. Charge up every 100 years. shops, there's no food in the shops because they're all on strike because they're all getting replaced by robots. But they were told about it 5 fucking years ago, eh?
Going in.